Hello, all actors. It is time to talk about that dreaded A word. Yes, of course, I am talking about auditions. A lot of us go to auditions feeling panicked. Some of us prepare for ages and ages only to step into the room to have everything just fall out of our heads. And let's face it, auditioning today in a post-pandemic industry has never been harder. We used to walk into a room to deliver our monologue or to deliver our sides, but now we have to send in self-tapes, we have to send in submissions, and some of us have to do Zoom callbacks. The list goes on and on. For those who are feeling stuck, I hope to unstick you. In this workshop, not only will I be giving you a systematic, rigorous, and repeatable process for your auditions, I will be challenging you to rethink the very fundamental relationship you have with the audition process and the industry writ large. Come on down and join me. It's only 4 sessions over 2 weekends in March, and I can't wait to meet all of you. See you then.